welcome to this short video. On this video we will take a look on how we can add image on top of our app bar and any other thing. So just follow along with me. So here I'm going to create a new directory, call it an image. So I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to drag this one and I'm going to put it there. Then I go to my prospect, YAML, as we all know. So I'm going to just get package, indentation, package get. Yeah, it's fine. So I'm going out to my Flutter. So yeah, I'm just gonna change this one to image.asset, and inside this one I'm just gonna write what I have. Like you see, yeah, I have image slash .png. So let us stop the app and run the app again and see the changes that we got. So it's still running. I'm gonna take some so you can see this is our image that we have just added. So this is our app and this is based and both output. This is our image that we have just added. So we can still do more again, like trying to add action, like icon button, like icon, you know. Icon dot, let us say dot share, and we may add the color, like so. Let us say dot white. So we have let's run it and see. So there we have. We can see do more again, like try to add and press to remove this null button, like no. So yep. So that is it, guys, how to add image. And you can see add so many things on this, like you can see add your menu and so on and so forth. There's a lot to add. So what you just gonna do is you can just hurry over to this page in order to learn more about widget. So okay guys, this is all for me. Please do subscribe. Until then, see you guys.